Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Foam Runner by Adidas and Kanye West Yeezy in the clay tube colorway. It comes in a beige cardboard box with the shoes wrapped in beige paper, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. I'm a big fan of the Yeezy Foam Runner. It's a perfect summer, beach or holiday shoe due to its breathable slip-on design. In late May 2023, Adidas released another neutral monotone design, this time in a warm tube colorway. It's clean, easy to style, and complements darker skin tones. The Foam Runner has a well-cushioned, soft-feeling futuristic design, but I would recommend going up at least half your US size. In this video, I stuck to my US 10 and these fit tighter than previous Foam Runners. It may not be a 2 pairs minimum for me because I'm happy with my Onyx and Sand pairs. I also feel like it's too similar to previous colorways like the Desert Sand, Sulfur, and Mist. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment run to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.